Duncan, what are we doing?
Drilling.
Why?
We like drilling holes in boats.
We love drilling holes in boats.
Look how far we're moving.
Oh my.
19 centimetres.
Oh my lord.
We want this bow ball underwater.
We want the bow ball underwater. Why
Submarine.
Submarine style.
Yep. Why do we want it underwater?
Yeah.
We figure big ships have that big knob at the front of their bow and they move at a decent speed.
So that thing up there is going to be underwater.
Going down. It's going to be wet.
And we just get the big V piece. Big V piece just to have the water go over our heads.
So we're drilling.